All right, so the first step in this process is you want to find a sewing drawer. You can actually find these in antique stores pretty easily. Locally here, we can get them around $5. They're pretty cheap. So you just need a single drawer, and then you want to find your favorite chalk paint. Mine is Waverly, and this is only sold at Walmart. I really love this chalk paint. It sands and stresses really well. So you're going to want to grab an old brush and you want to paint the whole thing. The nice thing about chalk paint is it dries pretty quickly. Sometimes with white, you're going to need a second coat. So if you do one coat or two coats, you want to make sure it's completely dry before you distress your piece. So you just need a little piece of sandpaper or a sand block, or even an orbital sander will work too. That's actually what I would have used on mine. But if you want it to be pretty chippy, like mine, then you're going to want to use a low grit, so probably about 80 grit. And you're just going to take your sandpaper or your orbital sander and just lightly do the edges and anywhere where there's extra detail, which mine has some detail on the sides, as well as on the front. So I just took sandpaper to that, and then once it's completely distressed the way you like it, then you're going to want to grab a can of Min-Max polyacrylic, and you're going to want to spray that in a well-ventilated area and give it a good coat. And then it is ready to go, and you are ready to flock your trees. Now it's time to arrange your trees. This is just kind of a trial and error thing. You want to add blocks in for extra height and just keep moving them around until you like the way that they turn out.